Hi viewers, welcome to the Current Affairs show. Current Affairs Zara Hatke. Now, let's discuss the important current affairs of 13th of July 2016. हमने बहुत बार सुना है कि करण अर्जुन आएंगे, मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे. अर्जुन का तो पता नहीं, but Karan has been commissioned. Yes students, INS Karan, that is the Indian naval ship Karan, has been commissioned by the Indian Navy. It has been commissioned at Bhimunipatnam Naval Base near Visakhapatnam, and it was commissioned by the Navy Chief Sunil Lanba. So, what could be the question? मतलब इस न्यूज़ में से क्वेश्चन क्या बन सकता है? या तो पूछ सकता है कि कौन सा INS है जिसको रिसेंटली कमीशन करा गया है. तो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? द आंसर विल बी INS करण. या आपसे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता है कि इंडियन नेवी चीफ कौन है? तो माय आंसर विल बी सुनील लंबा. अभी रिसेंटली हमने देखा क्या कि कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स को रीशफल करा गया, और अब रिसेंटली न्यूज़ में क्या आया है कि 2 कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स ने अपना रेजिग्नेशन दे दिया है. यस स्टूडेंट्स, यू हर्ड इट राइट, 2 कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स हैव रिजाइंड फ्रॉम देयर पोस्ट. और इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि आपको फिर से लर्निंग करनी पड़ेगी. सो लेट्स डिस्कस कि वो कौन से कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स हैं जिन्होंने अभी अपना रेजिग्नेशन दिया. द फर्स्ट वन इज नेजमा हेपतुल्ला हैज बीन रिप्लेस्ड बाय Abbas Naqvi. The other minister is G. Siddheshwara, who is the Minister of State for Public Enterprises and Heavy Industries. He is replaced by Babul Supreme. Or what could be the question? The question could be either they could ask you कि किसने किसको replace करा, और they could ask you कि कौन नया बना है. तो replacement जो हुआ है वो हुआ है नेजमा हेपतुल्ला की जगह आए हैं अब्बास नकवी, एंड GM सिद्धेश्वर की जगह आए हैं कौन? बाबुल सुप्रीम. Let's discuss some agreements. The first agreement is related to startup. So what is the agreement? Let's discuss. The State Bank of India, that is the SBI, has signed an agreement with the Indian Institute of Technologies, Bombay's Society for Innovation and Entrepreneurship, that is SINE, for promotion of innovation by startups in the financial sector. So what could be the question from this news? तो क्लियरली इसमें जो क्वेश्चन बनेगा ये बनेगा कि इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी बॉम्बे ने किस बैंक के साथ स्टार्टअप्स को प्रमोट करने के लिए या स्टार्टअप्स में इनोवेशन को प्रमोट करने के लिए अग्रीमेंट साइन करा है. तो माय आंसर विल बी स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, जिसका हेडक्वार्टर मुंबई में है और जिसकी चीफ अरुंधति भट्टाचार्य है. रामपाल बनेगा बांग्लादेश में. अब ये रामपाल क्या है? लेट्स डिस्कस. रामपाल पावर प्लांट, it is a 1320 megawatts power plant which will be constructed in Rampal near Sundarbans in Bangladesh. To construct this, the agreement have been signed by BHEL, that is the Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, with the Bangladesh India Friendship Power Company Limited. अब चलो पोखर बस से. क्यों? A new bus service has been launched between Nepal's Pokhar and India's New Delhi. This was inaugurated by Nepal Home Minister Shakti Bahadur. So, what could be the question from this? So, clearly the question will be to which city of Nepal a new bus service has been started between New Delhi and that city? So, my answer will be Pokhar, Nepal. The 2 Bollywood stars are the Badshah of Bollywood, that is Shah Rukh Khan, and the Khiladi of Bollywood, that is the Akshay Kumar, is on the list. The ranking is the Badshah, that is the Shah Rukh Khan, is on 86th spot, and the Khiladi, that is Akshay Kumar, is on 94th spot. K.V. Murthy has been appointed as the chairman and managing director of Jute Corporation of India, which is based in Kolkata. The famous historian William McNeill passed away at the age of 98 years. Now let's talk about some business and economic news. IDFC Bank has acquired the Tamil Nadu headquartered microfinance institution Gram Vidya. So what could be the question from these news? The first question could be the very simpler one: who is the CMD, or who is the new CMD of Jute Corporation of India? So my answer will be Murthy, या K.V. Murthy. The question from the obituary could be William McNeill, who passed away at the age of 98 years, was profession. So my answer will be his profession was he was a historian. And the third question could be IDFC Bank has acquired which microfinance institution? So my answer will be Gram Vidya. The Union Cabinet has approved 15% disinvestment in NBCC India Limited. So students, do you want to know which Indian company will become the first Indian company to sell the masala bonds? So my answer is HDFC, that is the Housing Development Finance Corporation. Now, do you want to know who is currently the head of HDFC? So my answer is Deepak Parekh. Now finally, the sports news. ICC, that is the International Cricket Council, has announced the recent rankings. So let's discuss in brief the recent rankings. The top test team is Australia, the top ODI team is Australia, but the top T20 team is New Zealand. And let's discuss the India ranking. India ranked second in test and T20s, but India ranked third in ODIs. So now let's look at some important highlights. Students, now you can watch all the shows on your mobile. How? Just download the official app of bankersadda.com and sscadda.com from Google Play Store. So students, that's it for today. We will come back with the next show very soon. Till then, be happy, be confident, be another 247 follower.